Hey, Anthony here from Real Plans. This video will show you how to change your diet on the desktop and mobile apps. You can get to the screen in various ways depending on how you access Real Plans. If you're on the desktop app and in simple meal planning, you can click adjust here. If you're in calendar meal planning or Whole30, click on the settings represented by this cog, meal plan or Whole30 meal plan, and advanced dietary restrictions. On the mobile, click on the cog, meal plan or Whole30 meal plan, diet and schedule, and there it is again, advanced dietary restrictions. All diets work through a process of excluding either food groups or individual ingredients. We've set up presets for you to get you on your way. The classic diet does not exclude anything. Gluten-free takes out gluten. Paleo gets you more exclusions. You get the idea. So maybe you're on paleo and you want to remove pork. You highlight the pork and click the right-hand arrow. On the mobile, uncheck pork, save and continue. We have multiple food groups, so before you go excluding specific ingredients, check there isn't a food group that covers it for you. To remove specific ingredients, type in the ingredient here, like asparagus, find all ingredients with the same name. For example, here I found white asparagus spears. Select them all and move them across to your exclusions. The same logic works for the mobile app. Don't forget that dietary exclusions includes taste. So tell Real Plans what you don't like to eat and it won't show you those recipes. Save everything and you are done. If you're using calendar meal planning, where Real Plans is scheduling recipes for you, the system will ask if you want to update your automatic meal plans. You can update all your plans, update just your future ones if you're currently working on this week's plan, or go back and not update anything. Once back in the planner, the only recipes you'll see are the ones that fit your dietary selections. If you want to see all recipes, because you're searching for something for someone in your household, you can click the switch here and it'll show you everything. And here it is on the mobile. Thanks for watching.